Yeah, nigga, my album coming. Make back music, nigga. IMZ, I made Z's with Rick Ross and them, you heard me? So we some dream chasers, ain't we? Fuck 50 Cent too, y'all. Alright? Everybody, I'm the CEO of IMZ. I'm the vendor. Nene Jackson. You want it? You holler at me, and I got you for the love. Alright, check it out. Shout out to Meek Mill's Rick Ross. Yeah, shit.
Let's get it.
My man got booked for some stones of white. If they make us bow meal, we coming home tonight. It's free keto. I'm trying to tell you, I went from standing on the corner, from standing on them flights. Now check me out, I'm alright. IMZ the best, IMZ for less. Yeah, you see me rocking IMZs, but they IMZs. I'm trying to tell you what you know about this. I'm a bad bitch like this. Rest in peace to Mike, I'm trying to tell you. It's gonna be alright, it's gonna be alright. I'm a bad bitch on my grind, shit. Fuck 50 Cent this fucking time. Can't say it enough, Maybach, what's up? Shout out to Rick Ross, my friend on Facebook, what? That's my baby daddy, shit. Catch us riding something better than caddy. We got them Bentleys, we got them mansions. Goddamn, Rick Ross, you so handsome. Put me on 50 Cent, I'm trying to tell you. What's it gonna cost? Shit. I'm the motherfucking boss. Fuck you 50 Cent, man, your clown ass just lost. I can't say it enough. This is Maybach, IMZ, I make zines with us. Yeah, fuck you fucking haters, fuck you 50 Cent. You ain't got no paper like Rick Ross, bitch. Why you always trying to hate and snitch? Shit, go get your nose dirty, fucking bitch. Call Arthur, call Teddy. You know your connects when you come with that fatty, yeah. You know you better come with that cash. I know you're dope boys, man. How you stalking that ass? Fuck you 50 Cent, you ain't got no fucking sense. You just a sorry ass bitch, yeah. You stalking me on Facebook and Google, but goddamn I always knew, boo. You ain't shit, ask Shaniqua, bitch. I don't give a fuck about you, I'm finna be rich. Fuck $1 million, I got Rick Ross fucking by the collar, bitch. What you know about this chick, badass with a heart? Goddamn, Rick Ross promised we'd never be apart. You a sweetheart, sweetheart. Thank you for everything that you do. By the way, God bless you, I love you. Mark 31 through 32. I'm trying to tell you. You my boo-boo, fuck you 50 Cent. You ain't shit, bitch. Cut.